Mobile Legends. You know it and I love it, but for some reason, you want to delete it. So in today's video, I'll be showing you on how to delete your Mobile Legends account. So let's hop straight into the video. Go ahead and open the app. Then click your profile icon in the top left hand corner. Now click on your account. On the right side of the screen, you'll see an account center. Tap on that. Now click cancel account. Now it should redirect you to your web browser and it'll pull up something like this. Make sure you read the entire thing, then scroll all the way down and click the circle that acknowledges that you've read the entire document. Once you've done that, it'll take you to another document and you'll just need to do the same thing here. Now, you'll want to pick what account you're deleting, and it'll be the first one, your Moonton account. Now log into your account for the last time and then click delete. And that's how to delete your Mobile Legends account. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.